हो गया ना?
Hi friends, so today we have bought this Asus 409J. The packing of this was not good enough because the outer package was damaged, but the inner one seems to be in the proper shape. So let's hope the product here is original and we should not find any problem in this one. Please bring closer. Here also, this we have bought through Amazon from Apparel Retail, which is at Bhiwandi. And here is the configuration. You can have a look. This laptop is X409J, which comes with Core i5 10th generation processor. Hard disk is 1 terabyte, and RAM is 8 GB. RAM is 8 GB, and it is in silver color. So this is the latest launch of Asus, and the MRP you can see is 57,990 is the MRP of this laptop. So I'm just going to open it. Let's see. So here comes, this is the front, here's the laptop. It has come in a cover. I'll open it. First let us see what are the other things are available in this package. Here's the adapter is there, the charger. Square small charger is there, and the charging cord is there. We also get some manual is there. We will see this manual later on. This is all. That's all we have got. There's nothing else is there in the package. So let's open the laptop. So here's the laptop. Packing seems to be good one, but the outer package, I don't know why it has been damaged. Definitely I am going to raise this point with Amazon. I'm crossing my fingers that everything will be okay in this one. Please take a photo of this. So it can be seen the model is X409JA EK581T, and serial number is L7N0 CX02442527D. I will later on check this with the invoice also to see that it is everything is in order. Now the laptop, here we have got the, that we can say keypad cover is also there, and just see the finish of this laptop is really very good. The feel of this laptop is excellent. You can see on this side we have got two HDMI port is there, one audio port is also there, and on this side we can see that one HDMI cable port is there, and the other ports, relevant port and the charging port is also there. So seems to be a very decent one. The fan output you can see, this is I think will be for the what we can say the fan, and these are for the two audios for the sound. This is also for emitting the heat from the laptop. The first impression of the laptop is really very good, and it's a Core i5 10th generation processor is there, and it comes with Nano Edge display. You can see, have a look at it, this Nano Edge, the side hinges you can see are very narrow, and it comes with the webcam also. Here the webcam is there. So let's boot up this laptop and see. I pressed, but nothing has happened. Do we need to charge it?
Yes.
It should come with a little bit battery backup. Should should not be entirely dead. Now it is not getting charged up. I think we need to put it for charge. So I'll put it up for charge, then let us see. And this is a key feature of Ashu's laptop. When you open the screen, this goes down and a little bit of space has been made available. So through this space the heat gets passed on, because you can find this heat emitting spaces from here. So heat gets passed on from this space. So this is one key feature of Asus. But I don't know why there is the battery is 0. I need to charge it up. So I put this laptop for charge, and then we can see the remaining video in the subsequent phase.